Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to introduce Makita coffee maker, the model DCM501. I have 4 units. From the factory, actually have only 2 colors, but 2 colors more, I change the body. This is the original color, blue and brown. See the model here, DCM501, 12 volt and 18 volt. So you can use with 12 volt battery and 18 volt battery. You can switch here. Have 2 battery terminal, LHT and CXT. Makita logo. This is Makita cup. Makita logo. Put it back. Okay. So see the water tank. Capacity 120 ml to 240 ml. This is Makita spoon. Yeah, have Makita logo. Put it back. Okay. Turn it up. Yeah. I change the color to more attract. If you have 2 units, you can change it like this. Blue with brown. So in this video, I don't have the coffee to show you. So in the next video, I will buy the coffee and make it drink for you to see. Thanks for watching. If you have any comment or want to see any model, please comment below. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.